Artificial intelligence, or AI, isn't just a futuristic idea anymore. It's already here, shaping the way we live, work, and even think. From healthcare to entertainment, AI is everywhere around us, often in ways you may not even realize. In this video, we'll explore 5 shocking facts about artificial intelligence that will make you see the world in a whole new way. Fact 1. AI learns faster than humans. Humans need years of study and practice to master a skill, but AI can do it in hours. For example, medical researchers have trained AI systems with millions of X-ray and MRI scans. The result? The AI can now spot diseases such as cancer, lung issues, or heart conditions with greater speed, and in some cases with more accuracy than experienced doctors. Imagine a future where your diagnosis comes instantly from an AI system, saving lives by detecting illness earlier than ever before. Fact 2. AI can create art and music. When most people think of AI, they picture robots crunching numbers or analyzing data. But here's the shocker. AI can be creative. Today, AI programs can paint breathtaking digital artwork, compose original pieces of music, and even write entire stories. Some songs and images you see online may have been created fully by artificial intelligence without any human input. This raises an important question. If AI can create art, who really owns it? The human who trained the AI or the AI itself? Fact 3. AI is already in your pocket. You might think AI is only for scientists and engineers, but you carry it with you every day. Your smartphone is powered by AI in ways you don't even notice. Google Maps predicts traffic using AI. YouTube recommends the videos you watch using AI. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa listen, understand, and respond to your voice using AI. Even when you type on your phone, that little autocorrect feature is driven by artificial intelligence. In short, AI has already become part of your daily routine, even if you never asked for it. One of the biggest milestones in AI history came in 2016. Google's AI program AlphaGo faced off against the world champion of Go, an ancient Chinese board game known for its complexity. Experts had predicted that it would take at least another 10 years before AI could defeat the best human players. But AlphaGo shocked the world when it not only won, but did so in ways that even top human players couldn't predict. This event proved just how quickly AI is advancing and how it can solve problems in ways that humans may never think of. Perhaps the most shocking fact of all is how AI could reshape the global job market. Experts believe that by the year 2030, AI could replace up to 30% of existing jobs. Repetitive and routine tasks are the most at risk, from data entry to even some driving jobs. But the story doesn't end there. While AI will take some jobs away, it will also create new opportunities, roles we can't even imagine today. Just like the internet created millions of jobs that didn't exist 30 years ago. The question is, are we ready for this change? Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It's here, it's powerful, and it's growing every single day. From diagnosing diseases to beating world champions at games, AI is pushing the boundaries of what machines can do. But as it gets smarter, we need to think carefully about how we use it. Will AI be our greatest tool or our biggest challenge? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy learning mind-blowing facts every day.